Surface grinding is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of abrasive wheels to remove small amounts of material from a workpiece's surface. The process is used to achieve a smooth and flat surface finish on a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics. Surface grinding is typically used to prepare a workpiece for further machining or to improve its appearance and functionality. The process involves the use of a grinding wheel that rotates at high speeds and removes material from the workpiece's surface by abrasion. The grinding wheel is typically made of abrasive particles bonded together with a binder material, such as resin or vitrified glass. Surface grinding is a highly specialized service that requires skilled operators and advanced equipment to achieve the desired results. The process is used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics. In the aerospace industry, surface grinding is used to prepare turbine blades and other components for assembly. In the automotive industry, it is used to prepare engine blocks and other parts for further machining. In the medical industry, surface grinding is used to prepare surgical instruments and implants for use. Berkness Company is a leading manufacturing company that specializes in providing high-quality surface grinding services to clients in a variety of industries. The company has a team of skilled operators and advanced equipment that can handle even the most complex surface grinding projects. Berkness Company's surface grinding services are designed to meet the unique needs of each client, and the company is committed to delivering exceptional results on every project. If you are interested in learning more about Berkness Company's surface grinding services, you can visit the company's Contact Us page on their website. The page provides contact information for the company's sales team, who can answer any questions you may have about the service and provide you with a quote for your project. With Berkness Company's expertise and commitment to quality, you can trust that your surface grinding project will be completed to your satisfaction. FAQs. 1. What is surface grinding and how does it work in manufacturing? Surface grinding is a machining process that involves the removal of material from a workpiece using a rotating abrasive wheel. The wheel grinds the surface of the workpiece to create a flat, smooth finish or to remove any imperfections. The process is commonly used in manufacturing to produce precision parts with tight tolerances. 2. What are the benefits of surface grinding in manufacturing? Surface grinding offers several benefits in manufacturing, including the ability to produce parts with high precision and accuracy, the ability to achieve a smooth and flat surface finish, and the ability to remove material quickly and efficiently. It is also a versatile process that can be used on a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics. 3. What are some common applications of surface grinding in manufacturing? Surface grinding is used in a variety of manufacturing applications, including the production of automotive parts, aerospace components, medical devices, and industrial machinery. It is often used to create flat surfaces on parts that will be assembled or to remove material from parts that have been cast or forged. Surface grinding can also be used to create intricate shapes and contours on parts that require a high degree of precision. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.